So we're at Garibaldi. Where does it say Garibaldi? It doesn't say it anywhere. Garibaldi Park. Yay! What are we doing?
I gotta go hike fucking 10 hours.
Dead. There's his backpack, 25 pounds, and weighted. There's Carlo's, also 25-ish. There's Carlo running.
Stretching.
Yes, let's do this. Get pumped. Woo!
Fucking stupid.
It's gonna be worth it. Don't you
No,
worry.
it's worth it. It's worth it.
Please.
Worth it.
So we made it to this barrier viewpoint.
And then like 2 hours later, still hasn't leveled.
Beautiful. How you feeling? How you feeling over there?
Yeah.
How you feeling?
What do you think?
How you feeling?
Good.
Good. Feeling good. Feeling great.
You okay? Sort of like I just want to like grab him like this. It's not like all over the place.
And we made it to this beautiful lake.
Good job, guys. You made it.
Made it with full pads.
We made it.
Add the chicken or no?
No, you want to just add top and on top.
Couscous and veggies made by Carlo.
And chicken. Bought by Alex.
And chicken.
No, it's just a boil and let it sit.
And some granola bars for dessert.
Oh, I have candy.
Woo!
I have.
Still gotta hike up there to get to the ridge. That beauty. Just at the lake, collecting some water. There's Carlo over there. How you guys feeling? Lie. Have candy.
Oh, you want a candy?
Uphill.
Huh?
Made it to Panorama Ridge. And it's so beautiful. Amazing. Except I want to chop my legs off. Rihanna, how you feeling? Chop your legs off. Dad?
Chop my legs off.
No woohoo from him.
Going crazy.
And over there, Lactus. Over there, giant sun, and this is our getup. I'll set up. Black tusk over there. People up there that are coming. Boom. The lake. It is beautiful.
You
Oh
mushroom.
my gosh, this is dinner. Dude, made by Carlo. Dehydrated everything. Got veggies. Got our chills. Got our cheese. And our cooked pasta. All by him.
We're making a second one.
Like this one?
Oh, that should be for today too.
Yeah. And Oh my gosh, it looks so good. We're so hungry. Look at this oink already. My absolutely gorgeous outfit. Alright, so first this is awesome. Like square? Rihanna. Rihanna, are you listening to what Carlos said?
Sorry, what did you say?
Boom. Yes. Yeah. She's going down. She's yelling timber. This beauty. And Dad's in the way. How was that?
This is not okay right now.
So many mosquitoes.
You have like 5 on your head.
Oh god. Okay.
Fit.
Maybe I should just put some. The struggle is real. Waiting for the stars. Good morning.
Hit myself in the face with this.
Struggle is real. Oatmeal for breakfast.
Yum. Yeah, go.
Get those chocolate chips.